Burma road, practice portage for Dusi, 3 weeks to go, and he's got a boat. Me just running Sonder boat. Hill of death. I would definitely be walking if I had a boat on my shoulder here. No ways I can run it here. That's why he's won the Dusi 4 times. This is where the death part of the climb starts, right at the end. At the top, 1.8 km of absolute suffering. This is the only flat part where you can open your legs and run. There's pump house down there, that bridge, which you can hopefully see. Down here, Andy. this is where you need smell-o-vision on Dusi, because you can't get lost, because you just follow the smell of burning fiberglass. You can see all the white marks on the rocks. There have been trippers here already this morning. There's one. And you can see all the scuffs. And you can hear it. And I can smell it. Other scuff marks are Laura O'Donoghue this morning because they are red, and she has a red and white boat. Phew, I can smell that boat now, taking the punishment. You can see both Andrew and I are struggling to stay with Andy. Andrew is quite a good trail runner, and he has no boat. We're about to go down a real mine shaft. As we go past that hut in front of me and to the right, it really does dive down. You can see Andy's changing grip to get more control. Just about slide down here on your butt. Here's tar rope. Getting 3.5 minute Ks, yeah? I'm not catching up. My watch says I'm doing 3:30 exactly. Used to be an old path off to the left down there, but it's locked up and overgrown and isn't fast anymore. And there we are. Absolutely zap all water in there. You can see the rocks under the water. It's normally way higher than that. Here's our 4x champion claiming that he's stuffed after running over Burma with his boat. Good effort. Huh? Not too bad. It's quite open, huh?
Yeah, it is quite open.